Hi guys, welcome back to the Scanning TV. On this episode, I want us to talk about the career opportunities in nursing or in the nursing profession. I've been receiving a whole lot of calls and text messages from a whole lot of individuals asking me about the nursing profession. Most of them want to venture into the nursing profession, but they don't know the career opportunities available in the nursing profession. A whole lot of them has the perception that all nurses work at the bedside. No, that's not how it is. Let me shock you today, guys. Let's get into the video. Nursing is one of the most diverse and rewarding professions in the world. Whether you want to be in the classroom teaching, whether you want to be at the emergency saving lives, whether you want to be at the pediatric ward saving kids, or whether you want to also be a traveling nurse, nursing has a path for you. Today, let's talk about some of the career opportunities available in the nursing profession. The first one that we are going to talk about clinical nursing. When we talk of clinical nursing, you see, when we go into our hospital setting, we have nurses or different nurses who specialize in different areas in nursing, such as the medical, the surgical, the NICU, the emergency, the pediatric, and operation room nursing. We have a whole lot of people who focus on those areas. And those people are the people who are the front line heroes. They are the ones who give direct care to patients or who treat patients directly. So they are those who you are going to see at the bedside, or you are going to see with the patient all the time. Those people are the front line heroes. So we have that one is one of the major opportunities under there. So you can learn to become a front line hero. That one is there for you. Then you can also become a public or a community health nurse. Most of you think that nurses, all of us work in the hospital or at the hospital. No, that's not how it is. We have nurses working in our communities. We have nurses working in schools. We have occupational nurses. Then we have the public health nurses. They focus on prevention of diseases. So and they also give education on condition. Then they do the home care. So not that you becoming a nurse and I say, oh now like we a nurse unconscious patient, you'll be passing in YouTube and all those stuff. No, you can become a community health nurse, which we are going to talk about the prevention of conditions, prevention of diseases. Then we are going to also give education. We are going to also do home care, all those stuff. So you see, a young crowd most of the times when nurses are tired by if you be then they will be giving us some medications. They were giving us some polio medication. Then they were telling our mothers to sleep under treated nets to prevent mosquitoes from biting us so that we won't be getting malaria and all those things. Those people are known as the public health nurses. So please, not all nurses work in the hospital. So you can become a community health nurse. Then the next one that we are going to also talk about is the specialized nursing field. We have specialized nursing field, which is also another opportunity. So you can also branch into some of the specialties in nursing, such as the midwifery, the mental health nursing, the oncology, and the renal dialysis. So you can become any of these. You can become a midwife. You can become a mental health nurse expert. You can become an oncologist. Then you can also become a renal health or a renal dialysis nurse, which you are also going to care for patients who has kidney failures, then coming for dialysis and all those stuff. You can become that nurse. So you are like not basically say you so we have different opportunities in the field of nurses. Then the next one that we are going to talk about is advanced nursing. So when we talk about advanced nursing, when we are after you've gotten your degree, your diploma, and you want to further to become an advanced nurse, you can learn to become an advanced nurse, or you can further your education to become an advanced nurse, which through that you can become a nurse practitioner, you can become a nurse anesthetist, then you can become a clinical nurse specialist, which that one is going to allow you to diagnose, to prescribe, and also take on some advanced or more advanced responsibilities. So you can learn to become a nurse anesthetist, which that one you are going to make sure that the pre-operative nursing care now you are going to make sure it is being done for the patient who has been scheduled for treatment. So these are also other opportunities in nursing that you can apply to become. Then the next one that we are going to talk about is education and research. Not all nurses want to be at the ward, want to be in the community, or want to become a nurse anesthetist. So you can also become an educator. You can become a tutor in one of the nurses training. You can become a lecturer in one of the universities. You can also become a researcher, which is also one of which is also another opportunity in nursing. And all these they come with their own challenges and rewards. So you can choose to become a tutor in nursing. You can also choose to become a researcher. You can become a lecturer in nursing. That one too is a career opportunity in nursing. Then the next one that we are also going to talk about is administration and leadership. So if you are somebody which leadership is sweet for you, want to become a leader in nursing and all those stuff, nursing also has a path for you. You can become a matron in nursing. You can become a nurse director. You can become a nurse manager in nursing, which is also one of the you can also learn to become when you further your education. After you've gotten your degrees and you want to still further, you can further to become a nurse matron. You can become a nurse manager. You can become a nurse director, which you will be the people who are going to influence the decision making and also other health issues and all those stuff. So you are going to be the one to lead. So you can become a nurse manager, preceptor, and all those things, which is also that one. You won't be at the ward like the frontline heroes. That one is different. So not you. This is also another opportunity. So you are a leader. So then the last one that we are going to talk about is the non-traditional roles. When we talk of the non-traditional roles now, those roles we have the nurse informatist. So you can learn to become a nurse informatist, which those people are like, who was IT? I'm an IT student. Can I become a nurse? Yes, you can become a nurse. So when we talk of a nurse informatist now, those are the people, they combine the computer science with the nursing. So they will be at the records, keeping documents, making sure all data are saved and everything is okay. So that should, in case there's any legal issue, they will be the one to be in charge. Then you can also become a nurse legal consultant, which you are like you're a nurse. You do know that you can become a lawyer. Me, I wanted to become a lawyer, but due to some situation, I couldn't go to the law school. So I told me to come into the nursing profession. So and I became a nurse. But still, I have that feeling within me that I want to become a lawyer. So I can go to school after my degree. I can go to school and learn the law and become a legal nurse practitioner. So that one, I won't be at the ward giving injection, giving IV fluids and all those stuff. I will just be there. Should in case there's any case or there's any problem at the ward, I will be the one to go and stand in for the hospital. So you can become a legal nurse practitioner. One might also ask, can I become a nurse as a military man? Yes, you can become a military nurse. It is also a great opportunity. Then you can also become a traveling nurse, which you are going to be working with the foreign aids and all those stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Stick and stay with me and wait for different episodes on Nurse Kevin TV. I love you.